I'm sorry, I'll have to interrupt you there, but a great story break. Rajan Nanda, Chairman and Managing Director of Escorts, is ready. Let's go to him to discuss how things have moved for Escorts for the quarter gone by. Mr. Nanda, good morning. This is Nikunj Dalmia from the Mumbai studio. Now, if I look at your numbers for the quarter gone by, optically, there is a big reversal. Profits have gone up by 62%. But if I take all the extraordinary items aside, the picture may look slightly different. So on an operation basis or on a standalone basis, how have things moved for you?
I think the movement is absolutely positive. Strategically, we move towards selling the higher end units with a higher income, and we are gaining market share significantly there. And there aren't any substantial extraordinary income. It is absolutely business growth income. And it is a very positive trend because our percentage of EBITDA to sale has grown, our PBT has grown quite substantially, and our PAT is also looking good. And we are projecting trends to sustain themselves even for the year ending. Now, as per our own fiscal, we have done a 6 months, and the balance 6 months ends in September. I think the trend is positive because the crop prices have been good, the crop yields have been good, more for central and northern India. Southern India has not been so great, but the prosperity of agriculture has come quite uniformly in the northern belt.
Your margins have been hovering around 5%. Do you see improvement going forward?
Yes, strategically, our product mix plan and marketing program is to try and bring the high-end value because farmers are looking for larger size units and we're trying to gain market share and we're getting focused in that segment. The lower-end tractors are common and are already plying in the field. We'd rather go for the special units that have better income to a farmer.
For the quarter gone by, which is Q2 for you, profits have gone up, margins have expanded, but sales were down. Why is that?
The market has not grown that significantly. It's the product mix that is richer, and that is the opportunity we had and we availed of.
Out of the 1,000 crore of top line, what you've reported for the quarter gone by, how much has come from the pure tractor business and how much has come from other verticals?
It's mostly from tractor growth because the other verticals have not had the growth that we had programmed for many reasons. So this is predominantly farm machinery that has grown.
On tractor sales particularly, do you think that in the anticipation of a normal monsoon, the sales could improve into the second or the third quarter of this year?
Yeah, there are two improvements that are happening. One is, of course, the price for the food prices and the grain prices. They have come up very well. Procurement's been strong. And with that kind of strength, we expect markets to be buoyant in the season months, which is for the next two. And the off-season may not go down that much. And therefore, we are expecting a good volume change from year previous. Because this industry has been nearing about 1 to 2% growth last 3 years. This year, we expect the growth to be 5 to 6%.
Mr. Nanda, your other two verticals, namely construction, equipment and railways, they are dependent on government spending. Now, government spending for this financial year is likely to improve and it will certainly pick up before elections. So, do you think you are in for good days for your construction business?
Construction equipment, yes. We do see positive trend and opportunity there. As far as the railroad business is concerned, our established products will grow in volume. But there are a lot of new products we have got to introduce. And the approvals cycle time and trial cycle time of the railways for new products is pretty prolonged. So we can't avail of that growth business opportunity in this coming season.
All right. Mr. Nanda, thanks very much, sir, for joining us and giving us more insights to your business. All the best for the future. That's Escorts in the session, up 2% at 66.80. Touch base with the management of ABB and Amlan Datta Majumdar, who's Chief Financial Officer at ABB, joins us on the show from